everybody, and welcome to another video, and good morning from Dingboche. I'm on the Everest Base Camp Trail, and I spent the night down here at 4,400 meters, but today I'm going up to 4,900 meters to Lobuche. It's going to be a few hour trek, not too hard, but I can definitely feel the effects of the altitude, especially coming up this little hill. But I haven't been sleeping well the last couple nights. Normally when I'm trekking up here I get 8 or 9 hours of sleep every night. But a couple nights ago I got maybe 5 or 6. Last night I got maybe 4. Other people that I've talked to, they have loss of appetite or headaches all day. So it kind of affects everybody in their own way. And lack of sleep is mine, I guess, in weird dreams. But besides that, I feel fine. And we're going to see how it goes. But I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I've got plenty of time. The Dingboche is back over that hill. And this is Perichi down here. So they're pretty close. I'm super excited to getting up to Everest and Kalapatar. But I'm also pretty excited to go back down again. Every step down again, you're getting more oxygen. And everybody that I've seen that's been going down has been pretty happy. So at the base of the Khumbu Glacier, you'll find the memorial for climbers and alpinists. Memorials to all the people that have died in this region, climbing. And there's a lot of famous names that you'll see around here. Scott Fisher. One of the most famous names here that inspired me to come here. Rob Hall. From the earthquake in 2015. Babuchuri Sherpa. Born in Taksindu, one of the villages that I went through. Summited twice in 2 weeks in 1995. Spent 24 hours on the summit without oxygen. Fastest summit of Everest, 16 hours, 56 minutes, year 2000. And then fell to his death in 2001 in a crevasse on his 11th attempt of Everest. Each one of these is a memorial. All over there. All over here. Welcome to Lobuche village, 4,900 meters. Correction, 5,000 meters. Water, laundry area. No more trees, no more juniper bushes. Just this grass, some moss, and a lot of truckers. So that's the Khumbu Glacier up ahead, heading off to the right to Everest. Up there somewhere is Gorakshep, the last little village before base camp. Over here we have Lobuche Peaks and Lobuche Glacier and the village of Lobuche. Shop. Heard somebody earlier talking. It's like $4 for a Coke in there. Here I am back at my hotel above the clouds. But that's it for the tour of Lobuche. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time.